Hi class, today we will teach about Chapter 1, Introductions to Communication System. At the end of this chapter, you will able to analyze the mathematical functions of the communication system model. Okay. Topics covered in Chapter 1, definitions, importance of the communication system, information, message, signal, history of the communication system, basic components and requirements for the communication system, modulation, multiplexing, noise, attenuation, electromagnetic spectrum, and bandwidth, type of communication system. Definitions. What is communications? Communication is the transfer of information from one place to another. Should be efficient and reliable and secure. Okay. Definition for the communication system, where we have the component and the subsystem, which is shows in the picture here, act together to accomplish the information transfer exchange. So, which means in this picture, we have the person talking, and this signal or message will transfer into the communication systems and transfer again to the another person to listen. Definitions of electronics communication system. In here we have the message that we talk about, and this signal will go into transducer and pass through the electronics processor and become the signal in the electromagnetic wave and received by the receiver, and this signal will be transduced and become the signal to be heard. So the transmissions and receptions and processing of information between two or more locations using the electronic circuits, which the circuit shows in this figure. All the information source can be in analog or digital form. Okay. Needs of communication system. It is important for the communication systems because we can exchange the information between two parties from the separate place with more faster and reliable way. Informations, message and signal. What is information? Information is the commodity produced by the source of transfer from some user at the destination. Message, which means the physical manifestations of the information as produced by the information source, such as the message that we receive in written or the letter. All these are message. Signal is a physical embodiment of information in the voltage signal or the current signal. Okay. How do we communicate? Can we communicate through what media and what mean? Okay, the method of the communication. Last time we will communicate face to face, like we have the normal class and we talk here and there. But nowadays we can have the gesture, like showing the hand to show the meaning of the communications, and we also have the written words in letter or the signal, and nowadays we have the electrical innovation like telegraph, telephones, video, televisions, internet, computer. Like what we're doing now is the e-learning, showing the teachings by using internet. So that's why we can do the online class here. Okay. So next we will go to the history of communications. Here showing the history of the communication from year 1844, we will have telegraph and etc. until year 1989 by using the internet. And I will show you the video how the history going on. And we will also have the evolutions of the mobile communications, where last time we have 1G and we go to 2G, and nowadays we have 4G, and in future, maybe next year in 2020, we will have the 5G, where we focus on the e-health, where it's related in the biomedical applications. So let's go, we look at the next video. Thank you.